Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honorable Rokomatu for his question regarding our government's strategy to maximize economic benefits from Fiji's cruise tourism sector. Mr. Speaker, sir, cruise is a significant part of the tourism markets with even greater potential. In 2023, Fiji welcomed some 83,473 cruise ship passengers, which was significantly high up from 2022, where we received 1,586 cruise visitors, of course, COVID being a factor. Looking at 2024, Mr. Speaker, sir, we received 86,151 cruise visitors who contributed $7.4 million to the economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, tentative cruise schedules show that we can expect up to 164 cruise visits this year compared to 133 last year. These ships we anticipate will call into Kandavu, Lau, which is Bonombalabo and Fulanga, Savu Savu, Tabiuni, Lautoka, Suva, and Levuka. In 2018, with the support of the International Finance Corporation, we undertook an assessment of the economic impact of cruise tourism in Fiji. Please allow me to share some of the findings briefly. Cruise tourism contributes US $21.4 million directly to the Fijian economy, and with a flow-on effect, or the indirect contribution to the economy is estimated at $22.7 million. Each cruise ship voyage brings an average of Fijian dollars 305,000 or US 147,000 in spending per port of call, and one cruise ship passenger brings in $90 or US 44 of spending each. So this is significant, Mr. Speaker, sir. On what we are doing, Honorable Speaker, this is flying cruise, Mr. Speaker, sir, which will see the first turnaround ships coming to Fiji, and this is a partnership with Fiji Airways. This means multiple ships will be coming to Fiji where the cruise will start and culminate. So we're looking at upwards of 2,000 to 2,500 people at a time flying into Fiji to commence a cruise and likewise disembark at the end of their journey. This is a significant new development that will have broke occupancy in May, as the tourists will need flights and rooms. This is a major area that we are working to increase and grow into Fiji. Our infrastructure, Honorable Speaker, the foundation of a thriving cruise tourism sector begins with safe and reliable maritime infrastructure. As we know, the government has been working with the Asian Development Bank to identify new sites for the relocation of sewer ports. This will essentially mean looking at a port which can accommodate all container ships, fishing vessels, and also shipbuilding, while the existing sewer ports can be essentially used for cruise liners. The Speaker, sir, on maritime safety and navigation, we are also working closely with the Fiji Navy, Fiji Hydrographic Services, and key partners, including Kenua Fiji and Itoke Trust Fund, and partners such as the Market Development Facility of the Australian government and the UK government to update hydrographic maps. The critical work ensures that cruise vessels can navigate Fijian waters safely while minimizing risks to our marine environment. Last year, Asawirara village welcomed the Seaborne Pursuit cruise liner after a 16-year absence. Asawirara village was added as a port of call for cruise liners after Kenua Fiji shared the finalized hydrographic map. The community welcomed over 200 tourists. A lot of work was put in to prepare the communities to receive these tourists. Mr. Speaker, so there is also a National Hydrographic Committee established through which we are working to update maps in other regions that can benefit from the cruise market. On product development, Mr. Speaker, sir, it is equally important. On average, Mr. Speaker, sir, it is important. Cruise passengers spend $118 in Lautoka per person, followed by $104 in Suva, $102 per person in General, $56 per person in Savu Savu, and $3 in Ravoni in Kandavo per day. A strong positive correlation was found between passenger satisfaction and spending. That is, the more satisfied passengers are with a variety of things to see, do, and purchase, the longer they stay ashore and the more they spend. For existing cruise companies, our focus is on the opportunity for more tourism businesses to get accredited and available for shore excursions. The percentage of passengers who are getting off the ships to do pre-approved shore excursions, tours, and visits is growing. Mr. Speaker said the upcoming Tourism Super Week has a range of sessions, including a cruise symposium, where the cruise companies and industry experts will be providing insight, training, and networking to our tourism businesses to help them better connect to the ships. We anticipate major brands in attendance, and we seek to add Fiji to cruise itineraries through to 2028 and beyond, as cruise companies set itineraries a long way out. We'll also be hosting a tour guide training to equip aspiring and experienced guides with knowledge and skills in the field. The Speaker said, I'm pleased to share that the Pacific in April made its mark in the global arena as the Pacific Tourism Organization, SPDO, in partnership with the South Pacific Cruise Alliance, returned to the world's largest cruise trade show, the Sea Trade Cruise Global 2025 in Miami. With over 600 exhibitors and a sea of cruise professionals from around the world, we use this as an opportunity to collectively market the Pacific as a cruise destination. The SPDO, which Fiji is a member of, represented a powerful alliance of destinations including Fiji, Samoa, American Samoa, Tahiti, Tonga, Pitcairn Islands, and Vanuatu. SPDO shared its booth with Tourism Fiji and Fiji Airways and the Pacific Village. Their presence signifies renewed collaboration, especially around fly cruise opportunities. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker said, by fostering public partnerships and aligning with regional maritime strategies, we are positioning Fiji and the Pacific as a preferred and responsible cruise destination. Mr. Speaker, while much of this work is ongoing, our direction is clear. We are building a cruise tourism sector that prioritizes safety, sustainability, and shared prosperity, one that not only welcomes the world to our shores, but also ensures that every Fijian community benefits from its growth.